Interrogate who?
Who knows Brandon best?
Vasquez, she's sleeping with him.
Mind your own business.
It isn't personal. I just want to finish the test.
Fletcher's not crazy. Okay, if he was, I'd be having way more fun.
If you guys think I have the answers, interrogate away. Niemand's in position. Where do you go?
I don't even think that's that.
I went shopping.
In the middle of the lockdown.
Nobody saw me. Don't worry. I'm careful. I'm always careful. You will do exactly what I say, so we don't both die.
Everything all right in there?
I'm fine. I'll be out in a minute.